Welcome to the camp. We're going into a new Dollar Tree. Brand new lights. That's what I need, some Halloween lights. Oh, that's for your base. Okay, so what I need is some lights for my DIY that I got, that I'm going to have going on in a minute. This is a new Dollar Tree. So all the candy and stuff is mixed in, like kind of weird. I'm going to take it that they haven't took everything loose yet and unpacked. But this is a big Dollar Tree. A big one. Oh, look, they got okay, they got mac and cheese. We got those. We got a coupon for this, of course. We've been had this for a while. So we're going to grab these. And then we are not going to get the watchers. I finally found them. The deal go off today at Food for Less, aka Kroger. So that's where we're going to go to. This is nice and clean and put together, guys. Real nice and put together. So let me see. Those are so cute. And they go to towel. And these for the pillows. Christmas stuff out. So they done went from fall Halloween to now Christmas. And this is cute. Look at that. That is cute. Nice little Christmas Halloween stuff. Oh, look at that. That's the car turned the other way. Like it's leaving. I like that. That's real pretty. Look at these spiders, guys. They kind of, let me see. They look like this.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to get like one of these.
I just got one big one.
Yeah, I need it for my DIY though. So, oh, that's, I guess you can build a Halloween village. Look at that. You can build a Halloween village. Okay, and then this goes into Christmas, guys. Christmas. Let me get a red paint because we used the last paint we had. And more brushes. Okay. Okay, guys, so y'all know not to grab this because if you go to Dollar General, it's a glitch. If the glitch ain't burned out yet, buy 6, use a coupon, buy another 6, use another coupon, then put as many as you want up there. And there it is. So this new Dollar Tree, they are literally just unpacking. Look at this, they unpacking. So we'll see. So this is the art aisle down here. Oh, they got a big art aisle. Oh my God, look at this. Yes. So when I see this, and this is small compared to the other art aisles I've been in, but it's nice and put together. That's what I like. Okay. And here's the aisle with the body washes, so we know they got Coast when we come back. Guys, I'm looking for it was a Dove coupon. If that Dove coupon is here, you might can try it. Now this lever, they say it worked, but it beeped for me, so I did not get that. And then if I'm not in my Dollar Tree where I know the people, I don't mess with it. And here we go again with Suave hand soap. That's nice. New. That's a new find in a new store. Okay. So Alberto VFA, I know that's one of our little finds that we have all the time. And then, let's see. So let's just hurry and get what we need to get. Oh, okay, they got Carmex in here, Vaseline, Bliss Stack, Alka-Seltzer, Advil, and Excedrin, and Tylenol. So we can get ready. They even beefing up, ready for Vicks Vapor Drops. Who remember these? Who remember these? I remember these. They back. I'll be glad when they bring out the Halls coupons so we can start getting them. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try 2 bags of these puffs. I'm gonna try the General Mills coupon. Supposed to work on any General Mills, so we'll see about that. We're gonna try those. So we're gonna get 2 bags of those. And then those are the $1 off coupons that they have. Those are the ones that we are using, okay? So we're gonna do that. That other Dollar Tree was not a good Dollar Tree. They did not have that much in the store. and the people was not friendly. And when I see stores like that, I get out of there real quick, because I already know they're getting ready to make my couponing experience bad, and I don't want to go through that. Okay, so Goya, is that Goya? Oh, that's their seasoning. You could get the Goya seasoning for 15. I think it's 15 cents. That ain't really worth it. I was looking for the Goya rice though, and I don't see it in here. So I'm actually trying to find the Goya rice. So here's a whole little section of Goya. Now, if you all look at my Walmart video from Monday, see that little bag of beans that was there? Look at this bag of beans. That's why I say you have to watch where you buy stuff at. What's that? That's pizza sauce. See all those Goyas, but they don't have any rice. And I was looking for the pasta, and they do not have the ready pasta in here. So, okay, so I got one tea, guys, one. And it's 40 cents off a pack of tea, so that's 60 cents. Okay, one. I knew that was going to happen, though. Now, we're going to also try the juicy juice. And let's do 3 of these this time, because they did work. The juicy juice coupon. Well, let's get a different one. That's an orange. Let's try orange. And yeah, I'm gonna try 2 of each. 2 oranges and 2 of these. And then we're gonna use one of those general meal coupons, see if it works, and a 40 cent off this one. Okay. Oh, look at this. It's nice and stocked. For a long time, they was not stocked up, and I was offended because every time I come in here, y'all ain't stocked. Boxes everywhere. So they don't start stocking again, so that's pretty good. I'm not gonna grab a lot this time from Dollar Tree. Right now, I just don't see a lot that they got. Okay, so I mean, you know, I'm gonna do my DIY guys, and that'll be coming out. I'll be putting that out later on. Okay, let's go this way and see. Okay, so nope. And what else did I get? Look at that. It's powdered bleach. And now this is citrus scent. I want to try this. I'm going to see how this powdered bleach works, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab this Dove. They say it works, so we're going to see. If not, we'll just put it back. 1 Lipton tea bag. Okay, guys, so we are back from the Dollar Tree. And I actually had to make 2 trips. So I went in that first new Dollar Tree, a bust. First of all, boxes everywhere. It was junky. I didn't understand why it looked like that. I got up out of there quick. The people was not nice. And I knew they was going to make my coupon hard. So I hurried up and went back to my neck of the woods, okay? So, and had a great coupon experience, as you all can see. So I'm going to get ready to tell y'all some good stuff we did. Okay, first of all, just to show you all what I got from Dollar Tree for my DIYs, because people had commented, hey, show us what you got with the DIY. So this is what I got. This is actually, you should be seeing this DIY soon. It was supposed to go up Monday, because that is the day I want to make my DIYs to come out, but trust me, it didn't work. My video wouldn't upload, and then I'm glad it didn't, because I had like missed some parts in there. So I'm still adding to my DIY, but it's gonna be great, guys. So please watch it, because it's something all of us need for Halloween. Okay, so I found my cobwebs, and then I got this handcuff. I think the handcuffs, yeah. And then one of my prop themes is gonna be like a witch, so I need that. So that's what I got with that, and that's all to that. I'm trying the powder bleach. I haven't saw it before. My cousin was talking about, my cousin in Missouri. When they say they going to get laundry detergent, they go to Dollar Tree. So, I mean, and we go to like Dollar General, and that's the one working at Dollar General. If she can't get like cheapies at Dollar General, then she go to Dollar Tree. So I'm going to try that, and I'll let you all know how that works, okay? Now, coupon beeped. The coupon beeped on this, but after he read the coupon thoroughly, he saw that it was powdered and it was Lipton. He put it through. That's the manager. The manager real cool. The whole, that entire Dollar Tree, I love them. So I don't want to be using no coupons, you know, to make them look at me sideways, right? Okay, so you see that I got the Kellogg's and not that General Mills one. The General Mills one beeped, guys, on a lady 2 carts in front of me. Y'all know I ditched them cereals so quick, right? I was like, oh, these ain't the cereal. I went and put them back. So do not use that dollar coupon. Use the dollar off 2 Kellogg's coupon that expire in September, not the one that expired in October. That's not the one I use. You could use it, but you know, the one I know that don't beep and work is the one in September. Okay. Now, you all knew about the Juicy Juice. I did that last week after Subby kept saying, do the Juicy Juice. It works. It works. So I got tons of these coupons. They expire on the 30th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. I'm actually going back to get more. I'm gonna make a run to Food for Less, aka Kroger, in my neck of the woods. But they had Juicy Juice too. But every time I went, I had to get a rain check. So I'm gonna save a couple of those coupons for my rain check. Okay, our highlight of the day. Yes, yes, yes. Go into that Unilever insert, the 75% off of Doves. I know it says 4. Don't judge. Work on these. No beeps, no nothing. So I have 4 more of those coupons. I'm gonna go and finish those off. Guys, only use 2 at a time. Now, a lady in front of me, greedy, had 4 of them. She tried all 4, and I told her before she got there, I said, please, I said, don't only use 2, it's gonna beep. So she split her order up right before she went to the cashier. So only do 2 of these at a time. Only do 3 of these at a time, because the 4th one beeps. And that is not a coupon. That, don't judge. Just do 3 at a time if you must. But all I did was did 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and something over here. You gotta kind of smooth out your transactions. Now, let me tell you what the goodies is about this one. With this, my fetch, I got 800 points for every 4. So I ended up with 1,650 bonus points. Okay, that's what I got off fetch. I don't think it's anything. If it's on Ibotta, I couldn't get it through. So I just left it alone. My Ibotta is tricky like that, so I don't really mess with it a lot. But this is not only giving us 26 cents or something like that, 21 cents. It's also giving us points back on fetch, which I need, because I'm making sure that card stack up so I could do some good Christmas shopping. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this haul. 21 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, and this was 40 cents. This was $1, and these things was $1, of course. But if you want to just put my coupon and haul in it, $2, 1, 2, $3, $3.50, $4, $4.60. So we made it in budget. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you all coming. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel, and hey, make sure you guys go out, get some of these deals done. You know, God forbid we shut down and we need some things. So go ahead and do this deal. So, hey guys, $4.60 for everything. We did it. We stayed on the budget, just like you guys said. Bye.